Hi, I'm Tim Carter, Ask the Builder, and it's another day. It's actually been about 2 weeks since I've recorded a video, and they didn't do much. But there is a little change here at the job site. Let's take a look. But before we do, remember, this is not my job. I'm not building this house. If you discover something new, all you got to do is click the thanks text link underneath the video. Any revenue that I get from that, I reinvest to make more videos for you faster. So if you want more videos, you know what to do. It's really that simple. Let's take a look at what's going on. They have put in some sand and backfill, but what's really happened, and unfortunately, they did it and I couldn't see it. I'm not allowed to be here while they work. But right where that white pipe is right there, that, if you remember from a previous video, that's where the sewer pipe that comes out of the building over there comes along the back, and it ended right there. And anyway, they have obviously extended that pipe, and they have probably brought it into the side over there. If you remember, I showed you there was a side inlet into this septic tank. Here's the septic tank. And so the pipe's now connected. And here's what's happening now. They're getting ready to put in the leach field. But also, remember, I talked a little bit about how there was some electric line that was coming here to the septic system. This is probably going to be, I'm guessing, an aeration system. There's going to be a pump. There's electricity here. So it might be an aeration system, and that's a good thing. That's how regular sewer plants work. The one in your city or town, big sewer plants, they simply make sewage clean or cleaner by just running air through it, and before they dump it back in the river. All right, so let's look and see what's going on now back here. They have dug out some of the leach field, and they're going to be obviously putting in some more sand. Got to get it level. They're going to put in that distribution box. Remember that funny little box that was on top of the septic system? They're going to put that in. That's probably going to happen this week. They're trying to get this all done. But so that's really the only changes. They're trying to get the septic system finished. Well, I know there wasn't much to see in this video. I'm sorry about that. You know, they got that pipe in, they covered it up, and that's going to happen. You know, sometimes things happen. The contractor that's working on the septic and doing a lot of this site work, he doesn't like me. He doesn't want me around, so I can only come up here in the evenings and on the weekends because he's just too grumpy. He's got a really, really bad attitude. His son's much nicer, but the old man, he must have grumble soup for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's all I can tell you. Grumble soup. Don't eat it. Bad stuff. All right, I'm Tim Carter, Ask the Builder, and remember, if you discovered something new, click that thanks text link so that I can make more videos faster for you. Hopefully, the next video, I'll be able to show you all the pipes in the leach field. Typically, they need to leave those exposed until they get inspected. So I'm going to be watching the job site really closely over the next few days. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com.
If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.